When it comes to home upgrades in the villages, few projects deliver a faster return on investment than window replacement. Whether you're preparing to sell your home or simply want to enhance comfort and curb appeal, new windows can instantly increase property value and attract buyers in this competitive real estate market. First impressions matter. In the villages, curb appeal plays a major role in how buyers perceive value. Old, worn, or inefficient windows can make even a well-kept home appear dated. On the other hand, sleek, modern replacements provide a polished look that immediately boosts your home's visual charm. Buyers often decide within seconds whether a home feels right. Fresh windows with clean lines, updated styles, and matching trims set the tone before they even step inside. Energy efficiency appeals to buyers. Many homebuyers in the villages are retirees looking for comfort and cost savings. Energy-efficient windows not only reduce monthly utility bills but also help maintain consistent indoor temperatures during Florida's hot summers. Today's replacement windows are designed with advanced features such as low-E coatings to block harmful UV rays, multi-pane glass that insulates against heat transfer, argon or krypton gas fills that maximize efficiency. By highlighting these upgrades, sellers can showcase real savings, which directly translates into perceived and real home value. Enhanced comfort and noise reduction. Life in the villages is about enjoying leisure, golf, and community activities, not dealing with drafts or street noise. Replacing outdated windows eliminates drafts that make indoor climates uneven, while modern insulated glass reduces outside noise. For potential buyers, this creates an immediate sense of comfort. Homes that feel better naturally command higher offers. Low maintenance and longevity. Prospective homeowners in the villages often look for properties that require minimal upkeep. Vinyl and fiberglass replacement windows, for example, resist peeling, rotting, or warping. They don't need to be painted and are easy to clean. Showcasing these low-maintenance benefits makes your home more appealing to buyers who prefer move-in-ready properties. This convenience factor alone can raise your home's marketability and value. A strong return on investment, ROI. Window replacement consistently ranks among the top home improvement projects for ROI. In Florida, homeowners typically recoup a large percentage of their investment when selling. This makes the project not just an aesthetic upgrade but also a financially sound decision. Real estate agents in the villages often highlight new windows as a key selling point. Buyers see them as a major expense already taken care of, giving your property an advantage over comparable homes without recent upgrades. Improved safety and security. Modern replacement windows come equipped with stronger locks, shatter-resistant glass, and enhanced frames that improve home security. For retirees and families alike, safety is a priority. Buyers appreciate knowing the home offers added protection without requiring immediate upgrades. A competitive edge in the villages market. The real estate market in the villages is unique, with many homes competing for buyer attention. Any upgrade that makes your property stand out can speed up the selling process and increase the final sale price. New windows send a clear message. The home is well cared for, modern, and ready for its next owner. Final thought. Investing in window replacement in the villages is more than a cosmetic upgrade. It's a smart financial move that instantly boosts home value. From curb appeal and energy efficiency to comfort, safety, and ROI, new windows provide benefits that buyers immediately recognize. Whether you're planning to sell soon or simply want to enjoy a more beautiful, efficient, and comfortable home, replacing your windows is one of the most impactful improvements you can make.